Welcome. Let's assemble the Windex 6. Here's what's included in the box. Windex 6 comes with a flexible mount designed for dinghies, multi-hulls, and fast sailing boats. For a typical laser installation, attach the vane to the support rod using the press-fit mount. Push on the screw, not the vane. Once the vane is in place, slide the support rod into the mast fitting and tighten the screw by hand only. Then secure the Windex to the mast with the elastic band. If you need to remove the vane from the rod, don't pull it out by the vane itself. Instead, use a pair of pliers to carefully remove the fixing pin. For an optimist, attach the vane to the support rod as shown. Slide the rod into the mast fitting and tighten the screw by hand. Then, secure the Windex to the mast with the elastic band. On boats with a bowsprit, start by pressing the vane onto the support rod. Slide the rod into the mast fitting, then attach the Windex to the bowsprit. Adjust the vane to a horizontal position. Then tighten the screw. Windex, trusted wind indicators for every boat.